Hey guys, what is up? Good morning, good afternoon. How's life? So now I'm gonna do something really nice. I've been eyeing for quite a while. It's by amazing, talented artist, FacedByKareem. I actually saw this video. I was scrolling through his Instagram feed. Not a stalker, though. And I saw like a bunch of looks that I really liked, and I loved this look so beautifully, like the sparkliness, the blue liner thingy. So I thought,
I gotta do it.
so here I am, getting ready, talking to you guys. First things first, I'm the realist. First, I'm gonna prime this face with this NYX color correcting liquid primer. This is not mine. This is my sister-in-law's, and I'm so proud that I'm using this on behalf of her. Let's beat this face. I'm gonna use my favorite HourGlass Vanish foundation. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer. I'm gonna use the HourGlass Veil Translucent Powder. I'm gonna go in with my Positions Formula Bronzer. I missed that for a while. You are not meant for me, still not surprising. Just gonna contour this nose real quick. Snatch it for use. The smell of this bronzer just reminds me of Miami. Anyway, as usual, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and come back to do the second eye together. See you later, alligator. Look who's back. Look who made it alive. Look at me. The lash glue is just drying, so I'm waiting for it to dry down. Now we're gonna go step by step to achieve this look, ladies and gentlemen. So sit down, please. First, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the P.Louise base. You know how much I love this thing. So I'm using the shade number 2. And as I always say, with this particular base, you are not supposed to set it. You just go directly with the eyeshadow you're applying. And as usual, I'm dipping in my James Charles Morphe palette. This is upside down, I don't care, but you get the point. First shade I'm gonna dip in is Canvas and apply it under the brow bone, and then apply the next shade right next to it. This is like a shimmery shade. For the shimmer part, just like that. Punch me! I wouldn't do that because I do not want a restraining order. Just blending it right here. Beneath it, I'm gonna go in with like this more darker brown. And I'm using this Morphe brush. I don't know what it is. Don't ask me. They're telling me that like your looks are like they're not blended well. That's fine. I'm still trying to, you know, trying to do the best I can. What you feel, what you feel. Again, I'm gonna dip in this No Beans. What does that mean? Okay, now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm using my P.Louise base in the shade 1, and I'm doing like a half cut crease. And how to know, like I'm gonna do like that and look up. And this is where you know this is your crease, so you don't go above it or below it. And I actually I don't know which look, but I did like I couldn't do a cut crease. And this beautiful, amazing, her name is I think Kizzle on Twitter, she actually told me how to. It was so sweet of her because, to be honest, some of you are still so mean to me. She was like the sweetest. She was like, I don't want, you know, my fellow makeup artists, you know, to, you know. But she has a few techniques. I love her so much. She's so talented as well. And on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my STILA glitter. I don't know what the names are, but anyway, this is in the shade Smoky Storm. I'm gonna pop it right on top of the base. for that to dry and pop it right on the inner corner of the eyes as well. Now for the outer part, tap off the excess and just and I want to also dip in the shade No Beans. With this type of a brush and just pop it right on the outer corner of the STILA shade. And again, blend it together outside. Bring it outward. Dipping in the shade Beans again. For the lower lash line, I'm using this Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Silky Nude. Oh my god, that is a long name. I mean, long production of a thing. Anyway, popping that on the waterline. Oh wait, I forgot to do the. Okay, so I'm going in with also the P.Louise base, and this is in the white shade, which is 0. I'm taking like this small liner brush. I have the worst brush with me right now, but it's fine. We'll work with it. Okay, now that it's up here, this brush right here, this actually, I use this as well for the lower lash line, but I'm taking this and I'm dipping in the shade. I'm gonna pop it right here. You can see that now, but I'm just kidding. Okay, and for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in this black shade right here, which is called Spooky. Go in right under the lash line. And then with a pencil brush, I'm going in with the shade Benny a little bit, and then with the shade No Beans. Just blending this out first. No Beans. Okay. Okay, this completes the eye. Let me just put on a mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back to do the rest of the face. And I'm back. Oh, did you miss me? No? Okay. Well, now it's time for the whole face. Ugh, I'm so tired already. Sorry for tapping hard. I'm gonna go with blush. I'm using my favorite, ColorPop Bretman Rock. This is in the shade Stop It. And I want to do the same technique I did last time. Kaya's technique. Excuse me, no. Hunty. Bye. Thank you, next. For highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. What? Amrezy highlighter. And on top, oh, I almost dropped that. Oh, my Fenty heart. And on top of that, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe highlighter. Whoop! We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. For lips, I'm using the Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner in the shade Daph. Did you guys hear that? Okay, I'm scared. Thank you, next. I'm gonna mix. And for lips, after lining them, I'm gonna use the Anastasia, the matte lipstick. This is in the shade Dead Roses. Aww, don't forget to water your roses. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like from the outer parts of the lips because we want like a poof lips. Okay, and the middle part, I'm gonna use the shade Kiss. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. I had so much fun. I love the idea of this whole thing, concept or look or whatever. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far of the video, please don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave on hate comments, as you do always. Please go to FacedByKareem, send him some love, tell him I said hi, and just go follow him on every social platform of his. He's an amazing makeup artist, and I just want to say that I love this look and I wanted to try it myself. Keep slaying. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please be and stay kind to one another. I love you guys so much. Bye.